So Michael, we've done over 300,000 miles of testing on our new Valvoline Restore Protect. And through the great formulation work that you have all done, we've seen the outstanding data that came out, where again, like you said, we returned parts of the piston back to factory clean, which is beyond impressive.
And it's a very gradual process, which is great. You don't want too aggressive of an oil, because this oil was actually developed for continuous use. It's not a service. It's not a one-time thing, right? Yep. It's something that you will every oil change, you're going to put fresh oil in, and you want it to gradually remove.
Yeah, and every oil change that we did, we saw it get cleaner and cleaner and cleaner.
Absolutely. And so it's very important that you change your oil, right? So every oil has a certain capacity, right, in terms of cleanliness, in terms of its ability to do something. So, and this oil was developed to gradually remove those deposits, but not be too aggressive where it could attack metal surfaces, it could do negative things. So you have to balance it. Like every oil out there, you have to balance the performance. And we balance this one perfectly to do what it's designed to do.